Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can use the calibration option in Adobe Lightroom. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to import the image. As you can see, I've already imported an image. Simply you have to go to the import section and you have to choose the image, that which image you want to use. So after that, simply what we have to do after choosing the image, we need to go to the develop section, and after going to develop section, as you can see, we have to scroll down, and here you will be able to see the calibration option. So we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, you will be able to see all the options. Like as you can see, as the tint, if you want to increase the tint, you can also do that. And then red primary, if you want to increase this, you can also do that. And the saturation is also provided here. And if you see here, and as you can see, the hues option is also provided here. And if you want to increase the saturation of this, you can also do that, as you can see, like in this way. And the primary section also, and blue primary, so I'm going to choose this one. And if you want to increase the saturation of this, you can also do that. So you can see the picture is totally changed and it look like much better than previous one. And now what we have to do, if you want to reset this, you can also do that. As you can see, has the reset option. If you click on this, the picture will be by default as it was. So in this way you can do that. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use the calibration option in Adobe Lightroom. So see you guys in the next video.